They've taken over the roads. Chinese cars are no longer just affordable. They are the new standard of style and tech. Let's dive into the top 10 bestsellers in Kazakhstan. From budget-friendly sedans to versatile family SUVs, we start with number 10, the Changan Alsvin, a compact sedan that combines efficiency with sleek design. At number 9, the JAC J7 lifts the category with its striking red finish and spacious interior, making it a favorite among urban drivers. Coming in at number 8 is the Jetour X70, a family SUV that excels in both comfort and adaptability, perfect for Kazakhstani families on the go. Next, we approach the mid-range champions that have captured the hearts of many. In the 7th position, the Geely Coolray impresses with its sporty handling and modern aesthetics, swiftly navigating through the hustle and bustle of city traffic. At number 6, the Haval Jolion showcases its prowess as it drives through the picturesque steppe, offering a blend of tradition and modern automotive technology. 5th place goes to the Chery Tiggo 7 Pro, a well-rounded SUV with a luxurious touch and advanced tech features that cater to the needs of its occupants. As we ascend to the premium category, we witness the epitome of luxury and innovation. In 4th place, the EXEED RX stands out with its futuristic look and premium finishes, making every drive an experience. The 3rd spot is occupied by the Li Auto L9, a hybrid marvel that boasts a sprawling dashboard filled with intuitive screens, revolutionizing the driving experience with its tech-savvy features. In 2nd place, the Zeekr 001 takes to the highway, showcasing rapid acceleration and a commitment to sustainability as a fully electric vehicle. Each of these cars represents a step forward in automotive excellence, embracing modern designs and advanced engineering. And finally, we reach the pinnacle of our list, the king of Kazakhstan's roads. Our number 1 spot goes to the Chery Tiggo 8 Pro Max, standing majestically on a hill with the breathtaking Almaty Mountains in the backdrop. This vehicle blends power, spaciousness, and unmatched value. With an impressive combination of performance and luxury, it's clear why it reigns supreme. As we conclude, let's recap our top 10 Chinese cars in Kazakhstan. Each model holds its unique charm and represents a leap in automotive innovation tailored for the Kazakh market. Do you agree with our list? Comment below which Chinese car you would choose. Join us next time for more insights into the evolving world of automotive excellence.